In this video, we will show you how to convert PDF files into Excel with offline mode. In here, we are using free PDF to Excel converter. You can get this software. We put link on the pinned comments. After you install, if you are using Windows 11 or Windows 10, you must enable .NET Framework 3.5. How to enable .NET Framework 3.5? You can see in this top right corner of this video. After that, to convert the PDF files into Excel, just open the programs. For example, in here, we can add many files or add folder. But let's try to using one file in here. Click open. And we can just convert all. Voila! Our Excel has been created by these programs. Now, in here, we can just click yes to trust the source. That's all tutorial how to convert PDF files into Excel using programs or software. Hope this video helpful for you.